Hello boys and girls, welcome to another fun tactical Rex review from Airsoft Atlanta. Today I'd like to introduce you to our new friend M40A3 by ASG. This rifle is a really solid spring sniper rifle by ASG. Everything feels really good on this rifle, right down to the pulling of the action. The bolt system is really smooth like butter. As far as the safety features go, when you want to fire, all you gotta do is push that little knob forward and you're ready to kill. To load this weapon, all you have to do is open up the trap door on the bottom and the magazine just pops right out. 20 rounds of ammunition, slide her back in, close the door, and you're ready for fun. This weapon also has an adjustable cheek riser so that you can be comfortable no matter how big your face is or your mask is looking down the scope. Hop-up adjustment on this thing is ridiculously simple. There's a knob on the bottom and you just turn that thing has very decisive settings. You hear the little clicks going and that's how you know the hop-up's getting adjusted. Let's take this rifle to the range and go medieval on some cardboard.
You are my honey bun sugar plum, humpy, yumpy, yumpy.
For more fantastic information on the ASG M40A3, please visit www.airsoftatlanta.com.